I'm looking at you. And I'm looking at you waiting for you to play. You act like you're not interested, but you are. See? I know you are. You just need to wait. Good morning, daddies, mummies. I always start a vlog after Aiden's first nap because usually the morning it's the alone time that me and he will have. So right now I'm just checking my post. I was reading some of the other Google posts was saying that they couldn't find people who are disliking them, and I find it really funny because they didn't actually watch it and they just dislike it. Yesterday I found one that is -1 view, and today I just found random 3 dislike. Yeah, and I was able to track them down all in USA. So weird. So right now I'm having my lunch date with my baby. My lunch here, the baby's here. Where's your lunch? Do you have your lunch yet? Not yet, you're just watching me having lunch. Yeah. Today it's a really gloomy day. Are you sleepy? I'm so sleepy. Do you want to have a nap? No, you just got fed. You want to play. Okay, will you sleep with me later though? I'll play with you now and you're gonna sleep with me later, okay? Okay. Okay. What are you doing? Daddy said you're gonna teeth soon. Yeah, you're going to be 4 months old really soon. If you're gonna start teething, then you might start to get sick. You lost your newborn super strong immune system. Yeah? Oh, oh, hiccups. Oh, oh, hiccups. So we end up did not go to Chipotle because it's a little too cold today. Up north, where New Jersey, Boston, they're snowing. So even though we're not snowing, it's pretty cold compared to a normal day. So we decided to stay at home, and then that coupon is valid till 31st. So we still have half month to redeem it. So it's good. Do you think she knows that we're gonna put cat food outside tomorrow? I mean tonight. She might randomly see some cats around outside the patio. What? Ooh. What do you want from me? We're done for dinner. We've got no food for you. I'm sorry. You were sleeping in bed while I was cooking. Couldn't give you food. Shishi? You know your name, huh? Can I pet you? No. She said I've got food. I don't have food, I'm sorry. I think the tiramisu that I made last time it tastes better because this time we ran out of whipping cream. So instead of using all the whipping cream, I substituted with half of the egg white, and now the taste is less creamy, but still food. I mean, it's still good. It's just the last one was better. Do you think my cat will eat it? You see it? Do you eat tiramisu? I don't think you do. Got coffee in it. Nope, she wouldn't eat it. Smart cat. She doesn't know what to do with it. It's yours. You can play with it. No. She has no interest in it. Oh, now you start liking it. Let me turn it back. Here you go. Do you want to play with it? You need some time, huh?
Takes time.
You didn't know that it's a toy. Nope, she's not playing with it again. This cat is a little too stupid. I'm looking at you. And I'm looking at you waiting for you to play. You act like you're not interested, but you are. See? I know you are. You just need to wait. Daddy's not getting food for you yet. Where's Daddy? Daddy's holding Aiden.
He still looks really exciting. Don't want to go to sleep.
I'm pretty sure he doesn't want to go to sleep.
Yeah. I'm okay. Holding him. Wave him.
Are you gonna dance with him?
Mm-hmm.
Dancing with Daddy? You're dancing waltz? No, I don't want to see your butt.
But I will turn around.
No, that looks even more wrong. Sissy, right? Why are you coming up here? You're looking at that.
Yep, you're looking at that.
Go back to your toy. Go. That's fine. I know you're interested in it. Oh, you're... So Aiden right now is asleep. It's 9:35. Yeah, he haven't slept for 3 hours already. So we're giving him a sleep, and then we're gonna push back his feeding time a little bit later so he can go back right to sleep after the feeding. One thing about daylight saving really sucks because you have to readjust the baby's sleeping cycle, and our baby started sleeping around 9:30 since he was born. So for now, trying to adjust 1 hour early to his biological time is really hard. We've been trying really hard to do that, but no, for the past 2 days, even we put him down a minute early, he would just cry. So I'm gonna sing a song that my mom sings for me when I was little. My mom told me that when I was little, whenever she sings a song, I'm gonna stop crying. Let me sing. 听我妈妈碎聲了，呱呱呱呱叫，靜靜地讓那隨風飄，地上像青草。笑了，再歌唱，春天來了，春天來了。I think my son liked this song too. Baby is asleep. We probably gonna sleep early tonight. Are we gonna put out the cat food tonight?
We can have some.
No,
If-
we were not gonna have some. They're gonna have some.
We're going to have some.
No, I'm not gonna eat cat food.
Oh, you mean cat food? I think about cake.
Okay.
Tiramisu.
No, we're talking about cat food.
I think it's just a quick setup.
Okay. We're gonna sleep soon. So, good night. I will show you guys tomorrow about the cat food thingy. Night.